How to add pages to a PDF. I use Acrobat DC. This is the PDF that I want to edit. Open the PDF. I opening this PDF to see there have 2 pages. In this page 1 add another page. I want to add this page. There have 1 page. Look at the right side. Here you found the edit option. Click on organize the page. Then all pages are shown here. Here you can rearrange the page. Click on insert. Then from file. Then select, then open. Then OK. This is one option. Another option is drag and drop.